Hi friends, this is Sarthak on Chow Down My Lane, and today a very special Sunday, 29th of April. Yes, the date has come when we have our first meetup, and I'm so excited. I am standing right now at the Courtyard Marriott Hotel in Pune, and we are just about to start our first meetup in Pune. I asked for a lot of confirmations. There are a lot of confirmations that have come in, and now we'll go inside and we'll wait for the people to come and then join and take you through this amazing first meetup in Pune. So guys, come on, let's go.
That's what really excited me. कि उस दाम में जो quality वो दे रहा है, just phenomenal. So I always wanted to do such people or such restaurants which are really good in food, and that's it.
So there's a Bengal woman was given a house for a hotel. She charges people for eating in a house. Pure Bengali food. Near the Ganga. Chow down on my lane.
खाना लगवा दिया तुम लोग नालायक हो. So hi friends, this was just an unbelievable day. Our first meetup in Pune at the Courtyard Marriott, and unbelievably 61 people turned up, and I've been overwhelmed by the love and the response they've given. And it was not just the food which we essentially thought. There was so much of love and there was so much of appreciation from everyone. I have just been a treat to meet the people, and I'm so looking forward to meet people all across the country. और मुंबई में, इंदौर में मैं लोगों से मिलना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि पुणे ने एक बहुत बड़ा बेंचमार्क सेट कर दिया है. 61 people in the meetup. I don't know how many people have got that with just so less followers. But guys, thank you so much. We've had a tremendous first meet at Pune today. So guys, we start our Mumbai travel and our long travel to Khardunga very soon. So for the meetup, I will see you on next Sunday, 6th of May in Mumbai. The exact location will be disclosed very soon. Till the time, you enjoy yourself, have fun, don't trouble others, respect women and children, and do whatever you want to do. Till the time I see you again, it's Sarthak. Ciao. restaurant? So Amitabh Bachchan spent his initial days before he went to Sharon in Nainital, 17 Clive Road, Allahabad. It's Amitabh Bachchan's residence. Here it is. And on very popular demand, I'm here today again at the famous Bengali restaurant. कुछ ऐसे cuisine और dishes है जो कि पूरी दुनिया में जिन्होंने अपना मार्क क्रिएट किया है, जो है the Chinese and the Oriental cuisine. So where are we, Siddhan? Farah. Oh my God, Farah in Kolhapur. We arrived at Lucknow last evening. और लखनऊ खाने की जब बात करें